Hey guys, this is Jimmy from Jimmy's DIY. You have a pool timer that stopped working. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can fix it and identify if you need a motor or you need the whole thing to be replaced or what's the issue. This is my pool timer. Before you do anything here in terms of touching the wires and stuff like that, which is behind this panel, you want to make sure you turn off the power. But before you turn off the power, we're going to need to make sure you don't poke fingers in here because you could get electrocuted. But right in there, the hole, you can see gears in here that are moves. If the gears are not turning, check your breaker. If you have power and the gears are not turning, chances of the motor behind this thing is dead. So what we need to do is we need to remove this panel. Before we do this, you need to go turn off the power. I went ahead and turned off the power, and I do have this little pin that I'm going to use to check it. So now you can see I'm testing here, and there's no power behind it. So let's go ahead and open this screw here. And if you want to double check there is no power again, you can take one of your pen, or you can use a multimeter as well. If I have no power. Alright, so let's get started here. This timer thing is attached by a clip that is right above here. So all you need to do is press this clip and it pops up, and then you're gonna have to just pull it upwards. And this is how it comes out. It's easy. And this is the motor that you see that's bad. So all it is behind it is just this motor. So we got to change this motor. And I will list a part from Amazon that I got a replacement for 30 bucks. If you need to get the whole timer, I think it was $65 as of changing it. And if you just change the motor, I think it would cost me $30. And the whole timer itself is over 100 bucks. My motor has screws that you can use a flathead, or you need little star or hex thing. So since mine is with flathead, I can definitely use the flathead to so I kind of removed both of the screws and the motor just came right out. And the next thing we need to do is just remove the wires from here. And we're going to get new motor. Right here, I have it.
Okay. That's the new motor?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what.
That's the new motor.
I thought you were being live.
And when you install the motor back on, make sure it's fully engaged. The gears are engaged, otherwise it will not work. So there is an adjustment to it.
Are you still recording?
Uh-huh.
Here.
All right. And then you're gonna take your both wires, guide it through the guide again, just the way it was, and you're going to push these wires out to the front. Similarly. And you could technically hook it up at this point, and we will undo the motor wires at this point. Okay. So I got it in the slot, and then we're just going to do the wires.
Do they add the new motor?
And the motor is installed, so we're gonna basically put back
This is the old motor?
this cover back so that you don't get electrocuted
This is
when you're touching the lever manually. Alright, so now my pump is on, but I have the fuse turned off, so I'm going to go turn on the fuse and we could get the we could test it if the motor did its magic. I'm going to turn this off for now. Alright, so if you bring my meter next to it, there's power now, and also the gears start to move. If you can see in there. There you go. Before they were not moving. So yeah, I had a bad motor. That is how you replace the motor, and that's all. So if you like my content, please hit like and subscribe to the channel for additional videos. Thank you. Have a good day.